What is going on, guys? Mike and Curtis here again with me today. Got a little unboxing, something I picked up, thought it was neat, always seen them, really wanted to try one out. So I'm going to show you the box, then we'll dive on down and I'll do the unboxing. But here it is. Yeah, an all-in-one device. The PAL 18650 by that company. I'm not even going to try to say it because more than likely, I'm going to say it wrong. The main reason I picked it up, though, rebuildable. Why not? So, yeah. Let's go ahead and dive on down, see what's in the box, first impressions, and then I'll build it out later on, use it for about a week or two, and I'll come back and give you my final thoughts on it. So, yeah, let's get it. So, here we are, up and close with the packaging. We'll put that to the side. We'll go focus on this for right now. Right now, as far as I've seen, there's only two different colors. Unfortunately, I was stuck with this peacock-looking one, but it is what it is. Here's what you get. Let's do it. Right off the bat, you get your instruction manual. Warranty card, I want to say. Yep. Little manual. Fun stuff. Looks like we get an extra coil with a base, some O-rings, extra plug, charging cable, and I do believe, look at that, we are finally stepping up. Nice. And then the device itself, that thing is really light. Wow. I think maybe the device was supposed to be in that, but oh well. That's it. So yeah. Wow, this thing is really light, guys. Really, really light. 18650. Power buttons right there. Clean. No magnets showing. Very clean. And then got a little window to see your juice. Screen. There's the tank. 510 drippity tip. So yeah, let's slap a battery in it and see what it does real quick. I've got a battery right here. All right, positive down. Oh, like that. Oh. And then yeah, a little screen. Does 60 watts. So yeah, that's the device. I like how clean it is. Very, very light, guys. Even with the battery, still very, very light. I think the Nord 2 is heavier. And then they're a little rebuildable. We'll unbox that real quick. Oh. Right off the bat, what fell out, this is an adapter. So you can preheat your coils. So you don't have to do spaced or anything. Adjustable airflow. That is so tiny. That's going to be a pain in the ass to build on. So pretty much take it off that. You're going to thread it into this. And that way you can build it out and be able to actually fire your coil. Get all the hot spots out. Oh boy. Guys, that is really small. A little two-post design though. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm pretty familiar with building stuff like that. Get some extra O-rings, a couple coils that I am not going to be using, a little Allen key. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll come back out and I'll give you a little more information on what I'm doing with these videos, and we'll go from there. See you on the outside. All right, guys, we're back. We just looked at this little guy. Oh, there we go. That little dude right there. So yeah, I'm going to build it out. Like I said, I'm going to use it for about a week or so. I'm more than likely not going to use the coils that come with it. I mainly want to use the little rebuildable to really try that out. And yeah, like I said, 18650. You got your charging there on the side. That's for a lanyard, I want to say. I've seen some things on this, not a whole lot. And what I have seen is not in English. So yeah. So not much to it. Like I said, it's pretty small. Like I said, it's very light. Even with that battery, it's very light. I got a little rattle. I don't know what that rattle is. I think it might be the tank that came with it. I think to get the tank out, you kind of get your nail Oh, yeah. There we go. I don't know. But yeah, that's what the tank looks like. You got a little plug right there to fill it up. You don't have to take it out every time to fill it up. Just to replace your coil. Has airflow, but like I said, I'm not worried about the coils that come with it. I want to use the rebuildable. And I guess it threads in, little metal ring. Pretty sweet little setup. I like it. So yeah, like I said, give me about a week or so, maybe 2 weeks max. We're going to test it out, run it through some tests. Just make sure it works good, and I'll give you guys my final thought on it. But first impressions, I like it. I think it's going to be pretty sweet. So like I end all my videos with a couple hits, so here we go. I doubt it's going to blow clouds like that, but... And real quick, price range. Looking at about 40 bucks for the device, and then an extra 15 for the rebuildable. So not bad, not bad. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.